Let's face it, we're all busy, and whenever this comes around, mid-year conversations, honestly, annual reviews, whatever it might be with performance management, I can't remember having a conversation with somebody that said, "I can't wait to do this." There's sometimes people who are excited to get feedback or get to have a conversation, but I think for the most part, people feel like they're super swamped, and a lot of times this feels like an additional things to do. Or we feel like, well, you know what, we talk about this stuff all the time. This is just going to be repetitive. The mid-years should not be something that feels like an extra thing that's not helpful. If it's not helpful, why are we doing it? It also shouldn't be the only time that we're having feedback. But what's unique about the mid-year is it gives us a chance to see patterns that have happened since we set goals. Hopefully, we set some goals at the beginning of the year. And even if you didn't set goals, what's been going on in the last couple of months? What are the themes that are happening? And checking in on that and being able to kind of debate and hash through all the issues before we move into the next half of the year because time flies. We're all swamped. And being a little intentional about the kind of conversations that we're having and stopping to look at the bigger picture helps us be proactive. And in this time of rapid change, that can always help.